Hey Stylish Mamas, I am here with my son, Emery, and we are here to look over the fall issue of the Fabfitfun Box. And I have my son here because he's been obsessing to open this box since I got it. He has no clue what's in it. I think he thinks there's dinosaurs in it, but there's not dinosaurs in it. Okay, he's gonna help me out, so bear with us. So here is the beginning, the great issue of telling us what exactly is in it. And wow, this is a little more like a magazine, which is really cute. Yay, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's in this. Okay. I have no idea what's in this. Another $50 off. I might actually do that. Hello Fresh. Okay. We ready? Okay, can you pull out something for me? Pull out one thing. One thing. Okay, pull out that. And pull out this one. Glam Glow bubble sheets. These are oxygenating deep cleanse masks. I need these. I need these. Does Mommy need these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you sit up? Can you at least get on your knees like that? Yep. Okay, what's the next thing? Ooh, Luna Bar. Yum, yum, yum.
Dad.
Yum, yum, yum. Let's see what's in it. Total 8 grams of fat. How much carbs? I'm on a carb kick right now, so I don't see carbs. 22, that's a lot of carbs. Okay, grab the next thing. Gotta sit up. The next thing. Ooh, Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant in pink grapefruit. Ooh. That's looks like it's not open. Pink grapefruit though. That's awesome. I feel like I have so many facial scrubs and things. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really bad at using them consistently. Okay, next thing. Ooh, what is that?
Jacket.
What does it look like? Blue in Capri. Skinny Company. Shower gel. Now I can use that. Absolutely. There's a lot of light on this. There we go. Ooh, you want to see? Everything's probably, yep, closed. See what this smells like? Mmm.
Yeah.
Should we use the shower gel?
Yeah.
Cool. Next thing. Oh, what is that? Can you sit up? What is this? What is this? A towel. Want to open it? You want to pull it out? Pull it out.
Oh, tower.
It's a towel. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wait. Let me see. Is it 2? Oh my gosh, it's 2. It's for the kitchen. Kitchen towels from Simply Whimsical. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love kitchen towels. I know it's a weird thing to love. I love kitchen towels, actually. Okay, next thing. You want to show them that? Okay, show them. It's the funfetti paper. Okay, grab something else. Oh, what is that? Okay, sit up. It is a beauty blender.
Open.
Beauty blender. Wet and squeeze. Okay, wet and squeeze, huh? Ooh, it's pink. It's for your makeup. Should I do your makeup? Okay, put it back in. Beauty blender. He's just gonna play with it. Wet squeeze knots. Okay, let's get the next thing. Okay, grab something else. What is that? Show them. It is, you gonna pull it out? Pull it out. Oh. Show them what it is. It is earbuds. Cobra wireless earbuds. That is awesome. Very cool. I saw these and they looked super awesome. More paper.
Oh.
So you want to get a different one? Okay, grab something new. Can you go for that one? Oh, what is that? Show them. It is Crown Pro for Pros by Pros. It is a brush set. Now, this is one of the items you got to choose. I chose the brush set. Comes in this little, look it. Come on. Is that cool? These are brushes. So that's awesome. The brushes. I mean, you always need brushes, right? That's why I got it, because I was thinking, a tote, but I always need brushes. That's something that's a really good investment. And if you get it while getting something else, why not? Okay, grab another thing.
Oh, trucks.
Grab something else.
This trucks.
Oh, Alfred, this is this is the tea brewing. Ceramic and stainless steel teapot. This is the teapot. So can we look inside and see what it looks like?
This.
Now, I'm not really sure why I got the teapot. My husband thought I got the coffee thing, but apparently I didn't. I don't know why I got the teapot. I think I meant to get the coffee thing and I got the teapot. Because we have a cast iron teapot. But I thought it just looks super cute. I want to open it and see what it looks like. Okay. Mommy, you can have some tea when it gets colder. Look how cute. This is adorable though. Oh my gosh. Let's leave that on.
Put tea in.
You put tea in. Isn't that cool? That's very cute. I think it's adorable. It's such a cute little pot. Okay, maybe one day we'll make some tea, okay?
Yeah.
Or maybe, well, yeah, I think the tea would be best. So maybe
Dada has tea too.
Daddy can have tea too.
And Papa and Nana.
And Papa and Nana. Cool.
Duck.
Okay, what's the next thing? What is that? Do It All Total Eye Cream. Oh great, an eye cream. I do not even have an eye cream, so this is really nice. A powerful moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. With a newborn and a 2.5. Today he's a half-year-old. I need to be very mindful of my eyes, my wrinkles, and my self-care. Very important self-care, ladies. How cute, the little like wooden look. So cute.
Open?
Open? Doesn't smell like anything. It's for your eyes. Yeah, eyes. Yep, my eyes. Cool. Is that it? Is there any more, or are we all done? All done? Use some grapevines. It's kind of nice to have the facial exfoliant along with the eye cream. You can use these together. This is Do It All Total Eye Cream. This is Grown Alchemist. This is by Pharmacy. That's a really great brand.
Yes.
And the body wash. This is all like, oh, and the face mask. Come on. With the beauty blender and the brushes. And then I'll have some tea afterwards in my kitchen while I wash my hands with my towels and listen to my relaxing music with my earbuds. And I'll probably give the Luna bar to my husband since there's 22 grams of carbs in this. Luna bars are really great, and I'm not a huge fan of nuts.
Yes.
So that is really exciting. Awesome stuff. I feel this one doesn't have as much as the other ones, but I'm sure the products are more pricey. So maybe that's why also. But there's some really quality stuff here. And, you know, you try to think about like how much things were and whatnot. Let's see. You had a choice between the coffee pot or the French press. And my husband was like, about the French press. He's like, we really don't need a French press. So that's why I picked the teapot. And then you had a choice between an umbrella or the earbuds. I decided earbuds because I am going to strive to go to the gym sometime in the near future. You had a chance, you had to choose between the totes or the makeup brushes. I picked a makeup brush, even though the totes are $128 per tote. That's amazing. Yeah, let's not ruin this, bud. And yeah, $128. Was it leather? It's making a vegan leather, so use a damp cloth to wipe off the dirt. Man, that is a good tote though. Vegan leather. Pretty impressive. Beauty blender, I have one. So that's not really. Oh, so this is cool. The this Skin and Company Blue and Capri is actually, it's a shower gel, or you could use it to create a bubble bath. That is cool. Let's see what else. Anything special? Oh, so if you were a selected member, select members only, choose between the Grown Alchemist Exfoliant, Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream, or Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream Cleanse. So I don't think I'm a selected member. I really don't. I think I just order as seasons go. Or they had the choice between the Pharmacy Do-It-All cream for your eyes. Okay, he's rubbing that beauty blender all over his face. So, good thing there's no makeup on his face, or else we'd have a really dirty blender. You had the choice between the Do-It-All, the Touch and Soul, which is a metallic liquid foil lipstick duo. Too bad. I would have wanted that, possibly. I am in love with different lip stuff, and that's a problem because in reality, how often do I really, I mean, I'm not retouching my lips all the time. Or Samatology Yoga Detox Bath, which is fine because I really don't take baths all that much. So that is very cool. And this looks like a really cute little magazine that I don't really have time to read, but it's adorable. And ooh, horoscope. So I'm a Taurus. It says Taurus needs a drink that fits her indulgent yet patient personality. True. She knows that the finer things in life take time, so she's always willing to brew a batch of delicious mulled wine. After all, the mix of citrus, red wine, cloves, and brandy taste best after hours in a slow cooker. Huh. And Christina Applegate's on the cover, which is super cute. She must do Fabfitfun, huh?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you think so? Yeah. Okay. So I will update on a few of these things. I wonder if the age cream really works well. I don't know. It's hard for me to do something consistently every night when it comes to like my face. But it's supposed to improve brightness under the eye area and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I don't have dark circles, but I would like brightness under my eyes. Yeah, but yeah, these brushes look really great. Crown. And he just, oh yeah, there's even like finger grooves on the brush. That's super nice. Okay. So I will touch back base. Yeah, I mean, it seems cool. I kind of wish I would have did the French press instead of this tea set, even though it's so cute, because we are big coffee people. We like teas, but we love coffees. So I guess this will be better for like him and my daughter. It'd be cute little thing for them or for him because he can have tea. So I think that would be...
I have tea.
Yeah, you can have tea. So I think it'd be better. And the earbuds, I'm happy with it over than the umbrella because the umbrella, we don't really actually get rain. So, well, not much anyway. And I am happy with the brush set, even though the tote bag, I didn't realize it was vegan leather. That would have been good to know. Maybe I would have had a different thought about it. But the brush set, like I said, you always need brushes. So it's probably why I chose that. So anyway, I think other than that, if I was a member, I would have done the lipstick and or I think I would have kept with the exfoliant for the face. Anyway, that is all. If you like this video or if you want to know more about it, you can look it up, Fabfitfun. My friend actually from my video ended up starting to get prescriptions to it. So pretty cool. And so it's good to know that this has helped people get Fabfitfun. And my baby's crying. So I better go. No matter what you do you. You are very important. And get yourself a box. Enjoy yourself. Pamper yourself. Take in the mom life when you can. Do you want to come say bye? My assistant's saying bye-bye. All right. Bye, you guys. Since he's a fan of soft things. The finer things in life, right? The soft things. Can you do mommy's makeup? Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, you okay?
Bye. Bye, Tutu.
Bye, Tutube.
Bye, Mama Tutu.
You choke on your own spit? Did you choke on your own spit?